Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and in this video we're once again teaming up with the crew at Do Cycling to bring you another edition in the cycling series videos. That's coming up next. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix. And like I said, we've teamed up with the crew at Do Cycling once again to bring you another edition in the cycling series. And in today's video, we're going to be working on the Raleigh Sport 04, doing a quick modification, installing some toe clips to give us some better stability, better torque as we cycle on the road bike. Like I said, the Raleigh Sport 04, it's a road bike, and we're going to be doing a quick modification, very inexpensive. Anyone can do this, simple tools. So let's get cracking. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and today we're going to do a toe clip pedal install on the Raleigh Sport 04. Now, I picked this up on Walmart.com, and the pedal clips are a nice way of an in-between of doing the racers type of shoe toe clip and just having a regular pedal. So we're going to install it, and it's going to enhance the Raleigh Sport 04. So join us. Okay, simple install. These are the tools that we're going to need. These are the screws, came with the pack. This is to get in and separate the reflector, which I've already done. Simple screwdriver, and here are the straps at the end. Simple kit. Easy way to upgrade your racing bike. Stick with me. Okay, just going to simply remove the old screws. We got new ones, but we'll see if it fits. Okay, as you can see, the holes line up. Sort of a universal pedal. So we're just going to drop the screws in there and secure the toe clip harness. Okay, we got the screw in. I'm just going to hold the washer in the back. I had to take out the original screws, they weren't long enough, and use the supplied screws. There you go, one's in. Okay, now we're going to put the strap in. Come in from the outside in. See, we're going to notch it through here. Okay, strap it under. Okay, there we go. We have it all the way around, in, through. And if you want, you can tuck it in here. That's up to you. Basically, it's in. There's a give for your foot. And there's the finished product. Toe clips on the mend, on the cheap. It's a great modification for your road bike. And today we did it on the Raleigh Sport. If you like this video, you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, because you never know, might be more coming your way. 640 AM The Mix. Thanks for watching, everyone. Catch you next time. Don't go anywhere. Okay, there you have it. A simple, quick, inexpensive way to upgrade your bike. In this case, it was the Raleigh Sport 04 with the toe clip installation. Anyone can do this. Simple tools, and you could upgrade your bike there. So comment below, like and subscribe. Don't forget, check the description for the final word on today's cycling series video. Catch you next time, everyone. Thanks for watching.